Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, and today it's a little bit of different video. It's still being creative, but this time it's being creative with makeup. I just ordered some the other day and I'm going to try it out. No, you're not going to see my face without it, but the box just came in and it was a little damaged. So let's see if everything inside's okay, and then we'll try it and I'll tell you what I think of it. And the name of the product line is Lori Geller. So here's the box that I just got from UPS. Seriously, what do you do with your packages that cause them to come like this? So anyway, I'm going to open this box. I'm not for sure what's in it. I think I might know. I thought it was coming tomorrow. I even checked this morning and it said it was coming tomorrow, but maybe it came today. I don't know. I was not going to do an unboxing of this, but since we had this happen, I wanted to do an unboxing. All right, so let's see. Okay. Yep, it's what I thought it was. So, I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Hopefully it is not broken. I think it's going to be okay. The reason I'm not showing my face is because I don't have any makeup on. And when UPS came and I saw this, I thought, I think this may be some makeup. And I'm going to put it on and then I'll show it to you afterwards, but I don't want to show you my face right now. I don't know how those YouTubers and Instagrammers who show their face without makeup do it. I mean, I don't wear that much. Anyway, this is all about, I have been wearing IT Cosmetics for years and I have loved it. But it seems like since I hit the big 6-0, my skin has changed a lot. And I looked at Jones Roads and I almost got it, but there was a lot of really bad reviews, so I didn't. This is Lori Geller. This is medium, so I think it's probably and I got this off of QVC. Oh yeah, okay, so this is the Baked Balance and Brighten, and it came with their kabuki brush. Is that what you call it? I'm not a huge makeup person, so I'm probably saying it wrong. And I knew I needed some type of something to put on before this. Boy, this is big. But this is a primer. I've never used a primer before. I usually use, like I said, IT Cosmetics, the BB cream that has a sunscreen in it, and then oil of Olay with sunscreen in it. It doesn't have any fragrance. It's a sensitive skin. And I've done that because I can, especially in the summer, spend quite a bit of time in the sun. But I think, I don't know, I'm trying to get away from the sunscreen unless I am actually like on the beach or at the pool or something like that. Anyway, I'm going to go put these on and I'll be back and show you what they look like and my thoughts. All right, so I have it on. I like it. I've used to use this a long time ago, probably when I was in my 40s. I'm 64 now. And my main issues that I have some I guess they're sunspots, age spots. They're just from me being out in the sun too much as a kid. I grew up in the era where we didn't have sunscreen. They didn't make it. There was no such thing. And we would slather our bodies with baby oil, which I don't think that was the best idea. And with me being a natural, very fair blonde, I had a lot of burns. So now that I'm in my 60s, I am suffering from a few little skin problems, which honestly is not as bad as a lot of my friends who are a little bit worse off. So I am grateful that I do have some good genes as far as my skin goes. But if I would have taken care of it better, I wouldn't have all these issues. Another thing I suffer from are dark circles and wrinkles around the eyes. Usually when I put something on to cover the dark circles, then the wrinkles pop up even more. What is this hair doing? So I haven't found a balance in between what I should do. Anyway, I used a little bit of this. One was way more than enough. I probably needed a half of a, or maybe 3/4. But I used this first. I did have some lotion on. I'm trying to think what it was called, but I had unboxed it in my Beachly box, and I'm really liking that. But that I had that, and then I had put this on, and I let this soak in for a little while, and then this is they call it Baked, Balance, and Brighten, and I have it in the medium. Most people think that I should usually use fair, but even though I am very, very pale, when I use the fair, it almost looks like I have clown makeup on. And I've even had went into one of those places like Sephora, and they've done my makeup before, and they're like, oh, no, you need the very fairest. And when they put it on, they're like, no, you're right. It does look like clown makeup. So I don't know why that does that for me. But anyway, this is the kabuki brush. It's very soft. I like the way it felt on my skin. I could draw this up and make it stiffer, which what I did with my powder here is I had put it on with it full open and covered my face, and then I put another layer on when it was drawn up a little more and it was stiffer. And I do have some Lori Geller cheek stuff that I've had for years, and that's what I put on my cheeks, and that is all the makeup I have. I have no eye makeup, no mascara, no liner, nothing. It's just lotion, this, and Lori Geller cheek stuff. Have you used Lori Geller before? I'd like to know in the comments section below if you have and if you've liked it. I'd also like to know if there is a line of makeup that you like better, especially if you're, over 60, because I do like this, but it's going to take me a few weeks before I actually really know that I like it, and I may still be shopping around for a little bit. Thanks for joining me. Y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, signing out for now. Bye-bye.